This is a Euro USD chart. It's for educational purposes only. This is not a signal. I'm just showing you the trades that I see that are setting up for the week, possibly the next week too. So, as always, be wise with your trading. If you're trading, if you're here just to learn, then just take notes. But here we are on the weekly. Last week, I seen this nice signal right here. This nice buy signal on this weekly zone that I have drew out. So I'm thinking like this week, when I seen this print Friday, I'm thinking to myself, next week we're going to see a lot of bullish activity for this week with the euro dollar, and I also seen the opposite of this on the DXY. So like, okay, well they're in harmony with each other. They're inverse. When this pair is selling, the DXY is buying, and when this pair is buying, the DXY is selling. So I seen this. I went to the DXY and I seen the opposite. So I said, okay, we're looking good. Possible sell going on. Possible buy for EU and possible sell for DXY. So far, it's playing out beautifully. Okay, when I seen this on this zone, seller exhaustion, seller exhaustion, seller exhaustion. I'm like, okay, great. So I scale down to the daily time frame, and I seen this W printing. To me, this is a W. This leg right here, this is one leg. It's the middle, small, and this could be the end of the W. The second leg of a whammy. Whammies and mullahs are double tops and double bottoms. And when you read Naked Forex, it tells you how to trade these type of setups. This is a textbook whammy. Looks to be forming. Uh, so like my first hesitation area where price could stall at is right here. Second place it might stall at would be here. Third place would be right here at this. This could be the small W. Is want to make a small W. Price could come up to here and be a W. Uh, a major push up to here could make it another type of W, a bigger W. So it's like two extensions on this one leg here that could possibly happen. We have structure here, we have structure here, and we have structure up here. So it could be a long-term hold, but for this week, I feel like this area could be hit, and possibly this area can be hit this week, possibly. All right, let's scale down. 4 hour chart. Okay, take a little look at it here. Okay, right here. This 38.2 right here could be an area where price could stall at, and this 50% is an area price could possibly stall at. But this yellow line and this red line are both resistance areas. So this is around where I was telling you that the W, the smaller W may end is in this area, which is a good amount of pips still. So if you want to scale out of this trade, if you would, if I was to get in right, I'm in right now. So I mean, right here is my first area where I think I'm gonna take some profits right here. And second area is right here. Third area be right here, And my fourth area would be right here. And I'm gonna leave some on the table with the extended targets up to here. I'm the type of trader where I bring my profits home when I see certain levels get hit, but at the same time, I add orders as well. I mean, when I see hit here, I may take some profits because I feel like it's going to come here and come back down. And what about come back down to the structure here or structure here? I would add back to my position again and ride it all the way back up again. So I'm getting in and getting out on this whole leg. That's what you call finessing the leg. Is knowing when to get out and knowing when to get in. Areas where price is going to get rejected, like here, price could get rejected and come back down and retest this previous resistance and turn support. This is a minor quarter point. This is a pivot point. So this area here is really strong. You might see that this right here come back down and gain some momentum and come back up and bust through all this. You might see it stop right here at this 240 EMA as well. But we'll see what London session has to offer us. So on this pair here, I'm bullish. This little double bottom, one bottom, two bottoms. There isn't much left on this pair to talk about. Just be aware. Go to smaller time frame. Yeah, so here's, we have structure here and structure down here. So if it was to get rejected up here, you can take a trade back down because actually right here in this area where I see this structure at, to my fields from here down to here, we have a 618 right here in this area and a 786 up here. So this area could be a strong resistance. If it shows some bearish activity, you can trade it back down to structure here, and get back in with the buyers back up. That's kind of advanced trading. You know, newbies, new traders kind of just take one bias and run with it. As you get advanced, you can really finesse the market and catch all that when you see certain things about to happen. Because within a trade, within a trend, there are counter trends, and those counter trends are also tradable. So be on the lookout for this here EurUsd push. It's looking real good. I'm sitting in nice profit right now. But until next time, plan your trade your plan. Peace out.